we're off to the site again for the third time, this time taking Dodge the dog with us for the first time. And it's been an interesting night because it's been raining all night. It's a really nice day now. It's really nice. But last night it rained a lot. Let me show you what happened to our field opposite. Right, this is the field opposite our house. Normally that's the sports field used by the local college, school. It is completely flooded. I've not seen it quite that flooded before. It's like a lake. I'll take a little bit of footage closer. And the surrounding fields are all completely flooded. Right, this is going down into the field. The water level is right up to the very bank. It's wall to wall. It's like you could use a dinghy on there. Seriously, I've not seen it this flooded before, and it was all because of just last night. Sports field. Goal post, rugby post. Don't think they're going to be playing in there today. Wow. This is going to be Dodge's first time to the site. So we're looking forward to this. We're going to go through the fields to get there.
Come back down but no, it's creeping back up again, because at Pound Square I think they've had a lot of water, and somebody just said the fire engine's over Rivermead, pumping out over there.
Really?
Over the corner where the bungalows are, because that's where the stream comes down by the mill. So
Right.
it's all coming out there as well.
Right.
So it's just coming down through. So, no.
I should have put my gum boots on, I
Yeah,
think.
you won't get through that way there.
I should do an interview, shouldn't I? What do you think of all this then?
Right.
So it's affecting your garden then?
Yeah, it's not affecting mine yet because I'm this house.
Ah, right.
Yeah, mine's the other end.
Okay. We're heading up the CCA fields.
You won't get in. You won't get in from this side because it goes down
Got
into
your
the tip.
waders?
They'll be up to here, going down in that
waders
tip.
on.
Really?
Yeah.
You'll be alright.
Yeah, you'll be alright, I'll swim.
You don't realise this. I see what you mean.
Yeah. I wish you hadn't have saw him.
Ah. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, well, we're going to go for it. I'm going to carry Dodge and see how far we can get. Having carried Dodge down from our road down here, that van that went down got stuck. I've been talking to the locals, and well, you know, it was waist high. The water was waist high coming around the corner. So rather than going up the CCA fields, we could come up this way. Dodge is kind of half having a good time and is distressed because it's unusual. So we've got a choice. We can either go up there through the main high street, or we can go down the CCA fields that way and see what they're like. So I don't know, maybe I should put everything in the rucksack. Oh, Matey's garden there. Right, this is the top end of the site. It doesn't look very promising. The whole place is flooded. If I stayed out last night, it's not, I don't like it. That is serious. Can you imagine if I'd had a hammock up against a couple of these trees last night, which are perfectly spaced? It would have been an interesting breakfast, that's for sure. Talking about my off the ground breakfast system. They're the tunnels that we were at the other day. Don't think they're going to make it over there. No, I don't think we're going to get down. Now, down the end of the line of those trees there is roughly where the site is. No, it's just not going to happen. Unless what we do is we'll cut back through back of the cow field and the glass houses and the CCA fields and see what it's like up that way. I don't think you couldn't stand up in that. Look at this. Now let me put the clip on. And it does. We've got a bit of an issue, haven't we? Look.
Yeah. Oh, I've never seen this. Have you?
No! Rivermead. You know where Rivermead is?
Yeah, I've been down this morning.
Houses flooded on the ground floor.
Yeah, I seen my mates. They were the bungalows as well. All the old people's bungalows are flooded.
Mind you, Rivermead and Watermeadow, names of the roads, there's a clue in the name, isn't
that's
there?
what I was saying to my sister just now. She lives in Lower South Church.
Yeah.
And I said, well, Rivermead has called it for a name, isn't it?
Well, exactly.
It's all gone, all underwater.
The whole thing?
The whole area, yeah.
I'll be a sec. Thanks. Oh, there's a bit of dry land over there. It's okay. The other side of the tunnels, which the other day was a sheep field. And the whole thing, that was just all fields up there, become a river. Down by Tesco's, in the CCA fields, we've had to wade through well over boot deep. I just unravel myself and dodge. That's a handy. I think that's going to work. Because this Jeep, not quite waist high, but almost. So we're going to head back through Rivermead. And coming back to the bottom of Cockpit Hill, South West Water van. Well, we're going to have to go through this to get home, so I'm going to have to pick him up again, aren't I? So, there's only one way back, and I'm going to have to carry you, aren't I? Hey!